Who likes the letter P? There's the letter P. I actually love the letter P. It's a great letter, but there are certain P's you have to be careful of, and these are those careful P's. If someone phones you with any type of problem, an issue that suddenly happened, and that problem requires paying to get out of it, like you're in legal trouble and you have to pay this money, and there is pressure, there's a reason why you have to pay it now, otherwise there's big trouble. And that phone calls includes phishing, that's trying to get information from you. Could you give us your passcode? Can you give us that account number again? Or trying to get information from you. Those are P's you have to be careful. And we can summarize them all with the word pretend. Everything is all about pretending. They're pretending to be someone else. So be careful of those P's. And here's 3 more P's. P's you do not give to anyone who calls you or messages you. Do not give your passcode like a verification code that's for you or only you. Even if they pretend and say, hey, we sent it to you, can you just read it back to make sure it's correct? No, no, no. A passcode is only for you. The password is for you and only you, and nobody else should have it. And your PIN, that's also only for you. Even your bank will not ask you for that information. Please do not give anyone those 3 P's. Thank you, everyone. I want you all to please be careful. Have a good day.